Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a string vibrator to set up harmonics on a string for your lab today. So here's a picture of a string holding the second harmonic, right? And let's just get familiar with the supplies first, and then I'll show you how to set it up in this way, alright? Let's go over to the cart. Everybody's going to need a power cord. You're going to need a string vibrator right there. You're going to need 2 plugs. You're going to need a sine wave generator where you can set the amplitude and the frequency. Right. And you're going to need a pulley. Right. What else will you need is a mass set from the cabinet, and as you can see right here, a ring stand to put everything on over by the windows. Alright, so let's show you how to set it up. First, grab a ring stand, alright, and slip on the string vibrator right on top of the ring stand. As you can see, it fits right in there, where it slips right through, the ring stand goes right through it. And then on top of the string vibrator, slip the sine wave generator right on top of that. As you can see, the ring stand goes right through the back of that. And you could tighten both of those onto there. Right? The power cord is going to plug into the top right side of the sine wave generator. Alright, and obviously the other side goes into the plug. Connecting the sine wave generator to the string vibrator are 2 patch cords. Alright, from the top left side of the sine wave generator to the front of the string vibrator. Alright, you can unfurl the string from the string vibrator, hang it over a pulley attached to the side. Right? You can see the pulley is kind of set up like that. Alright. And hung from the pulley is a 200-gram mass from your mass set. So there's how to set it up. This is the second harmonic being produced. As you can see, there's 2 antinodes, right? And it's producing a frequency of 45 hertz. Now you can change that frequency 1 hertz at a time with the left knob. See, if I set it to 44, yeah, you get the second harmonic, but it doesn't look as good. When you produce your harmonics, set it back to 45, you want them to look nice and clean like this, with a perfect note at the middle. That's not going up or down, okay? And you could even fine-tune it with the middle plug here. 44.9, 44.8, stuff like that, alright? Again, there's this increment thing here. Increment will give you big jumps. It's like your channel guide, you know, 245, 145, 45. And amplitude, right here, it's turned. Oops, see, that's what happens when you turn the amplitude all the way up. Try not to do that. Keep the amplitude halfway at most. Alright. See, the amplitude looks a little bigger there. But if you turn the amplitude too far up, it's going to make that rattling sound. We don't want to hear that. Alright. To turn it on, it's right on top, right there. Turn it to the right. Last question I'd like to ask you: how do we get the what's the fundamental frequency of this string? 45 hertz is the second harmonic. What's the fundamental frequency? Well, we just divide 45 by 2. Let's turn the amplitude down while we switch. Sorry about that. We could do 22.5 is half of 45. Oop. And it won't be perfect. Try to get the least rattling possible. We can see 22.5. About that gets us our fundamental frequency. Half of the second frequency is harmonic.